Whether you're a seasoned stylist or just starting in the industry, the Enjoy Straightener's innovative formula will revolutionize your approach to smoothing the most challenging hair types and will enhance the quality of your work. First, prepare the hair by creating the perfect canvas for straightening. Begin by cleansing and conditioning the hair with the Enjoy shampoo and conditioner of your choice. We suggest using the Enjoy Balancing Shampoo or the Enjoy Clarifying Shampoo to get an extra clean slate. Next, apply the Enjoy Straightener from roots to ends onto damp hair and comb through, ensuring even distribution for consistent results, and be sure to let it sit and pre-soften the hair. Next, add your favorite Enjoy Hair and Skin Treatment Oil. The oil must be applied after the straightener in order for it to work for maximum benefit. Using the oil also reduces drying time. Once you have finished applying the oil, section out the hair and use a brush to blow dry the hair straight. Complete the desired look, and for added protection against humidity, extra shine, and smoothness, finish with the Enjoy Shine and Smooth or Protect and Shine. Empower yourself with the tools and knowledge to elevate your craft. The Enjoy Straightener will unlock the secret to effortless, sleek, frizz-free hair that lasts.